I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW X5 door handle. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx driver and a plastic trim removal tool. Next, ensure your window is fully lowered. This provides crucial access. Then, locate the small plastic cover on the door's edge, near the latch. Gently pry this cover off to reveal the securing screw underneath. This initial step is key for a smooth removal process. Once the cover is off, use your T20 Torx driver to loosen the screw you just exposed. You don't need to remove it completely, just loosen it enough so the outer part of the door handle can be pulled away from the door. With the handle slightly out, you can now access and disconnect the Bowden cable. This cable is essential for the handle's function. Finally, carefully slide the entire handle assembly out of its housing. To fully remove the handle, you'll need to access the inner door panel. Carefully remove any visible screws securing the panel, often hidden under trim pieces. Use your plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. Once the panel is loose, you can reach inside and disconnect any electrical connectors that are attached to the handle mechanism. Take your time to avoid damaging any wiring. To reinstall your BMW X5 door handle, simply reverse the steps we've covered. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly attached and the Bowden cable is correctly reconnected. Before fully securing the inner door panel and outer trim, test the handle's operation multiple times to confirm it's working perfectly. This ensures everything is functional and secure. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.